Hello guys, Check Phantom here. Today I'll show you how to enable force dark mode in MIUI 11. I'm running Android 10, but if your device is running Android 9, then you can try it out as well. For this to work, you'll need to go to settings and then about phone, and then you'll need to tap 7 to 8 times on MIUI version. When you start tapping, you'll see a pop-up notification saying that you are 2 or 3 steps away from developers option. Keep tapping until it shows you are now a developer. Then go back and then scroll down and tap on additional settings, then developers option. From there you need to make sure that developers option is turned on. Then you need to scroll down and then find the option named override force dark. Turn this option on, and then from the notification panel turn your dark mode on. You'll notice that this dark mode is a little bit different from MIUI 11's dark mode. For example, if you scroll down, then you'll see that the brightness slider is darker than usual. And if you go to Facebook app, which don't support dark mode by itself, you'll see that Facebook is now dark. But some things like the reaction buttons, some of them are inverted, and some menus might not show up properly. So you'll need to proceed with caution and make sure that the app you are using with the dark mode don't have any issues with it. And if you want to turn it off, then you'll need to head over to settings, then additional settings, then developers option, and you'll need to turn the override force dark mode option off. From there you can turn off the dark mode from your quick settings panel and everything will go back to normal. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.